To make a Wix website under construction, start by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to work on. From the Wix editor, click on the Add button and search for Under Construction in the search bar. This will bring up a range of under construction templates that you can choose from. Browse through the options and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you have selected a template, click on the Add to Site button to add it to your website. You can then customize the template by adding your own text, images, and other elements. Make sure to include a clear message that lets visitors know that your website is under construction and will be available soon. To set the Under Construction page as your website's homepage, go to the Wix Editor's Settings menu and click on Page Settings. From there, click on the Set as Homepage button next to the Under Construction page. This will ensure that all visitors to your website see the Under Construction page first. It is also important to set up a Coming Soon mode in Wix to prevent search engines from indexing your website while it is under construction. To do this, go to the Wix Editor's Settings menu and click on SEO Settings. From there, toggle the Coming Soon mode switch to the On position. This will prevent search engines from crawling and indexing your website until you are ready to launch it. Finally, make sure to test your Under Construction page to ensure that it is working as expected. Check that the page is displaying correctly and that all the elements are working as they should. You can do this by previewing your website and checking the Under Construction page from a visitor's perspective. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking Under Construction page for your Wix website that will keep visitors informed and engaged until your website is ready to launch.